Yeah, man. We are live. We're in a game, old school style, fully bunned up, and starting the stream with a game. You ask me, why would you do something so crazy as to start a chess stream with a chess game? Well, I used to do that all the time, right? Dude, Billy, how you doing, man? Did I take the weekend off, man? I think I went hard Friday night. Did I go hard Friday night? Yeah, I think it was, we went hard Friday night. And then I took off Saturday, folks. What do? You just envelop. He's gonna want a pin. I shouldn't care though. We're not going to care. No, we can stop Bishop by doing this first. There we go. Jay Williams is here. Nathan Watson, Charlie at Chillers. Everyone, man, we got them across all platforms, folks. We're live on Facebook and YouTube today. Ripper beat Millennia. You beat Ellen Beast, and then you beat Millennia. Dude, oh, man, I wish I could have watched you beat Millennia. You don't record that, do you, Ripper? Ripper, do you have a YouTube? I would love to watch your Millennia. Okay, we can take. It doesn't do anything. We should develop. Develop, guys. Develop. Envelop with the develop. The vibes are always abiding. Thank you, Jay. Daniel Abbott, did you guys. Guys, if you guys are a subscriber on Facebook, Lois posted a freaking hilarious picture, man. It was our video. It was freaking great. Just castle. There's no threats here. There's no threats here. There's no pressure. Everything's under control. You wish you had a video of it. Okay, Billy says Drew and I were talking about a boss rushing a playthrough in prep for the samurai run. Dude. Hey, man, keep it fresh. I mean, dude, if that's the move, knock it out. But I'm just saying, keep it fresh. What do you do? He castled. We bring the rook, guys. We bring the rook because it's King's inning attack style. I'm going to play C3. Good. I love this move. I love this manunu. Do we attack? No. We just improve. We improve. I always play Queen C2, but the computer, very often when I look at the game again, it tells me Queen E2. So we got to keep Queen E2 on the table, folks. Lois, your video was hilarious. Lois, whoa, pinning. This remains pinned, guys. I'm doing my idea. I'm doing my QC2, folks. Lois posted a video saying, if you get the Charlie Sardo Gaming hoodie, they'll make you want to dance. And what does she do? She puts it up. Well, she has it on, and then she goes dancing around her kitchen, guys, with full disco music. I call it disco music. Anything with the beat is disco, right? With full music. It was freaking great, man. Lois, you're hilarious. You are freaking hilarious. Danny Abbott, love you, brother. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar. I play chess. We play gaming in the evenings on YouTube. Facebook here on chess, and I'm putting it on YouTube now too, guys. You guys got to follow my Twitch. It's very important to follow my Twitch. Ripper City started a new character, strength build with the great sword and lion's class of war, ash of war. Billy, I watched the whole thing. I went all the way to the end. Follow me on Twitch here. Bam, bam. There we go. That's for YouTube. Here's your homework, guys. It's rude to give homework. Follow me on Twitch here. Bam. It's rude to give homework, guys. I got it. Did I mistype Twitch on the other one too? I might have, guys. We're gonna have to look and see. All right, good. Everyone has been notified that your freaking homework, your stinking homework. I shouldn't even say it like that, guys. Where's this knight? He's coming here. Okay. This pawn is okay. I could come to this square, provoking b5. But I kind of want to come here and here. I guess This is my Manunu? Is it a bad move? Bill, Steven, Joe, I've missed y'all. Yeah, we're back. It's Monday, man. Lois says, I was left unsupervised. No squirrels required. I am very shy. Lois, you did great. That's called getting out of your shell. I know someone very near and dear to me who is usually a little quiet. Maybe has a little bit of the social anxiety, a little shy. You know what I mean? A little bit. Who, will make dancing videos like that. It's a great way to cut loose. Get out of your comfort zone. It's a muscle, guys. You got exercise your comfort muscles. Billy says, are you live on TikTok as well? I would have to go work over there. That's right. Billy Mullenix is my moderator. I think I might have did I make Adam a moderator too? Adam Freeman we don't see Adam here all the time, guys. Anymore, he just moves, guys. He just moves. Where does this bishop go? I feel like it goes here, the rook comes, and the bishop comes back. Do we kick the knight? Where does it go? It comes to a good square. I want to develop, but I also want to protect my pawn. I don't know where to go. Well, this keeps knight out of c5. It's a move. You know what? This might be the idea. Bishop and then bishop d4. Yep, found it. Can he do anything annoying to me? No. Yeah. Billy says I'm a mod there too, so I'll just kick it there. Oh, you're a mod here too. That's right, Billy. Billy was made a moderator, man. Guys, sometimes people want to be mods, like. Well, maybe they want to help. You know, whether you like it or not, there might be a little bit of, what's the word? It's not job security. What's the word? There might be a little prestige that comes with it. Do we bring the rook? I think we do. And, we take the file, guys. But, wait. Yeah, it's the last piece. It pins the knight, though, guys. Wait a minute. But I think we do it. This could have been a huge mistake. Being a mod's fun. Being a mod's cool. It's not for everybody. Let me tell you something about. Let me take the sexiness out of being a mod. Okay. Okay. Billy has a blue voice on YouTube, and he has a wrench by his name because he's Rosie the Riveter, only the man version. Is there a man version of Rosie the Riveter? Sarah Conradi, Lois New, Daniel Abbott, Will Anthony, Burger. Thank you guys for all the likes. It really helps the stream. Yeah, you guys are absolutely amazing. And True Highline followed on Twitch as homework dictated. So thank you. He did his homework. Gigs over the weekend. I didn't play. Have you heard of This Old House? I'm producing a song for that show this weekend. I think I have heard of that show. Bill Stevens, guys, bringing Hollywood to Charlie Sardo Gaming. Okay. That's the sexy part of being a moderator, is you can ban a fool. Okay, look at this move. He attacks my knight. He attacks my knight. We can trade and play rook over. I don't like b3, bishop takes, pawn takes, but what does that do? What does that do, guys? It gives us power. It gives us the power of a moderator. I have a few seconds. I'm gonna say this, but I don't know if chess.com's gonna ban me for being an abandoner. Yeah, I brought it up again. The video just dropped today. If you guys didn't see the last stream, you will see me actually get bothered and rant a little bit. Because, well, watch the video. It's on YouTube. It's called I Was Robbed by Chess.com, I believe. You know, it's probably not an altogether bad move. Bad move. Very good. I said altogether. Y'all said it at the same time. Just like kindergarten, folks. We can't really move the knight. I'm not going to protect it. I guess I protect it this way and say, give me the pair. Give me the O pair. Is this pawn easily attacked? Guys, let's do micro improvements. Micro improvements. You're still holding on to that, Charlie. Dude, Rantic, you saw it. You were there, Daniel. Okay, Rippers just watched it. Dude, can you believe it? Donned the name Lord 2 time that day. Odd honor to say. Right, there's a lava whip that looks interesting. I've never used whips. There's a whip that you get from the Remembrance from Fire Giant. Sorry, guys. Elden Ring is always on the table here at Charlie Sardo Gaming. You must be prepared for that. Okay. Now, if queen... I think we put the bishop to this square, right? Because I already looked at it. And then my knight can come back to... I think he can get in trouble here. I'm going to take a second. Okay, those are the sexy things of being a moderator. You think, oh, well, if someone's annoying me, I can snooze them. If they're annoying the stream, yes. If they're a Bitcoin scammer, you get to try and be the one to ban from page, means it can never come back ever in the history of Bitcoin scams. It's amazing being a moderator. What you can't do, and I've had moderators break these laws before, and I had to put down the I'm the ultimate moderator. You can't argue with people. I hate to see in people's chat mods flexing their power and arguing with people in chat. It's like there's a whole rant at the beginning of the mod group. Are you in that group, Billy? I gotta add you. I gotta add Kevin Cook too, I think. Maybe I got Kevin. And it says, like, if you're arguing with people, you're doing it wrong. I'm like, just snooze them. Just, literally, I say just ban them. Just ban them. I said, if you ban my brother, if you ban someone by mistake, I mean, I don't want to just click ban, willy-nilly, and they don't. See, that's why mods, I need mods that, like, totally get me and get what I'm trying to do. Just attack the stinking queen, guys. He has no squares. He has no interrupts. I think if I play knight back, bishop takes, b3 might trap the bishop. He could come here, but then I come here. Then he has bishop takes. Oh, then he has bishop takes, b3, rook takes queen. So does it not trap it? Does it not trap it? I'd probably have to prepare a little bit for that to actually trap the bishop, because there's a little scam involved. So being a mod is fun and it's cool. And I just got to get to know people before I make them mods. You know what I'm saying? I did not gig, but we went and saw live music. The queen comes back giving the cornfelio. Now if I play b3, now if I bring the knight to a great square, he can't take this pawn because I play here. And it's trapped. Do we come back here? We might. But I don't really have f5 available to me. This is a really good square. It's a good square. And this knight can be kicked. So if I put the hopper there, he can kick my knight. And my knight may never get there. Knight comes to e3 for like f4, f5 maneuvers. Yeah, so I tell him, if you accidentally ban my brother, if you accidentally ban somebody, say, dude, oh my God, I accidentally... It's happened before. I got to go and ban him. It's no big deal. It doesn't happen, guys. No one gets banned here. It's rare. It's so rare because of our community, because of the chiller community. Billy says one of my favorite runs was Carrion Slicer. It's a sorcery, but it's melee. Scales with... Yeah, I've seen that one, man. Surely you're not the only person with that opinion, says Josh. Yeah, Carrion Slicer, I've seen it. Did you, Billy? You got accidentally banned by Trey, and look how far you've come. He came back from being banned. Guys, am I going to forfeit again? This knight may come to this square. This knight, the thing is, what is it doing? We can't annoy. We have a little bit of pressure down the old Filio, guys. How do we annoy this thing? Let's put the knight on this square and then bring this knight here, attacking this square. Guys, it's a plan. We got to do something. We have to do something. Do I lose? I keep looking at losing my pawn because usually my rook is on e1, guys. My rook is on e1. You intentionally banned me, no Uncle Billy, at the holiday. Got to feel the chill to mod in the community, folks. Yeah, that's right. I'll tell you, most people do. Jesse Kirk just had a sub. Thank you, Jesse. That's probably a resub. Oh, he comes here. Oh, no. So that was a bad move? So do I play my knight anyway? I mean, otherwise I lose. Oh, no, no, it's only attack once. So let's leave it there and say, what's up, C-Star? What's up, C-Star? We come here and re-control the C5 square. Bishop takes, knight takes. But oh, yeah. He's going to play F6, which I'm cool with. I got to move. I have to make a maneuver! God, just get hot in here. Dude, there was a chill this morning. I took care of it, folks. We're the chillers. That's why we chill. I woke up a little chilly. Turn the heaters on. Put on the long sleeve blue. He attacks my knight. Now do we come here? He can play c5. Dude, okay, we had better moves because I was better. Feels like it might be equalizing, folks. It feels like it might be equalizing. Push. Takes, queen takes. It's not good. I would love this square for my rook. But he's threatening to steal. He's threatening to steal my thunder. I have to move. I had to move, guys. Oh my god, the pawn! Well, I told you I was scared of that pawn. I'm worried about the pawn, guys. He's my little baby. Dude, now, though, the queen's back on c7, so we can take the pawn. No, he can't because of this. Okay, dude, he got his rook in, man. He got his rook in, guys. But I want to put my knight there. Do I just do it now? I could come here, but that kind of just helps him. Because the knight is grim. The knight has been grim. Bishop. I have to move. I have to move, guys. It's in the rules. I intentionally banned me. Okay, got that. Your last video, the timer, that's crazy true. Josh. Guys, in my newest YouTube video that just went up today, it's a chess video. Chess.com, in all their power and glory, stole a game from me. Because they changed the rules of chess. Right? I could push, he could come here. Knight f4 looks good. Bishop, the queen can come here though. Which he couldn't do before because my knight was here. Knight I could push, and it improves his position, guys. There's a pawn here, but the same thing happens. My bishop gets trapped. Oh, my pawn's under attack, guys. My pawn's under attack, so I guess it's move the knight. I guess hit the bishop. That gives him e5, but it's not really there. This could lose. This could lose. My queen should not be protecting the e-pawn, guys. This is bad chess. No master protects his pawn with the queen. G7 target if horse is removed. Yeah. Yep. That's bishop d4. Oh, he removed it for us. How nice. He removed it for us. Happy It's Me Mario Day. I don't get it, but I like it. I'm hoping I get the DLC soon. Dude, you will love the DLC. It's more Elden Ring. William Hunt, thank you for the like and the share, as always. Wait. I just thanked you for the share, but you didn't give it to me. It's okay, though. At least I didn't get an alert for it. You don't even have to share William Hunt. You know why? You know, I think who's shared the stream more than anyone in the history of Charlie Sardo Gaming? William Hunt. Yeah, William Hunt. Guys, we got to get in this game. I only have 3 minutes. This guy's rated 1,700, guys. We could get a lot of rating points for this. Yeah, dude. Dude, you're always sharing. Albeit by attacking your pawn. Yeah, his 7th throw is horrifying if you trade off. He can't come here. Because it gets trapped. He could play c5 and then no, he won't get that square. Yeah, so this might be getting the bishop, guys. Or he has to play bishop back. Which is I'm cool with. He plays it here. Okay, now I can do this. Which I've been wanting to do. And we'll get the bishop. I have to move is a problem. I have to move is a problem. Takes, good. Okay, so we got that now. Oh no! I made a mistake, folks. Okay, let's think about it for a second. Takes, queen takes, rook takes, rook. So takes, rook, check, queen takes, and I have control of the file, and I can infiltrate. It's best. I got to do this. God. Do we take with the queen? Abandoning the e-pawn? Guys, I lost a piece. I can't attack there. I think we have to get active. He'll play knight takes. And we'll start losing. But what else do you do? Attack the queen? I'm just going to chase it to a better square. He's just going to pin it, guys. This is probably resignable. It's probably resignable. I had a good game. I'm gonna learn from this. Show Headlock some love too. Yeah, Headlock's great, dude. Headlock Gaming on Facebook, man. He's on YouTube too. Has Bullet ever been anything that interested you? Only curious. I can barely keep up with this. Yeah. I had to move, guys. Yeah, I had to move. Scott Armstrong, Greg Filmanuka, William Hunt, thank you guys for the likes. It really helps the stream. The newest Twitch follower is True Highline, Hylign. Love the name. I don't know what it means. Maybe he's a Highline. Maybe he works the Highlines, guys. That's scary. Jay Williams, welcome back, Man Bun 20. Jay, thank you for the 20, man. Yeah, so I play Bullet. Oh, he comes here with a threat, guys. If I push, it doesn't do anything. Okay, we need to get play. We're gonna come here. Then he can play knight. Saving his amigo knight back into the game, guys. This defends and attacks. I'm like, okay, this defends and attacks. What are you gonna do, guys? He just plays king back, which is fine. And it kind of sucks that I really can't do anything. Now he has this fork because there's no infiltration squares, guys. I could come here, stopping his move. King back, queen here, threatening infiltration scenario. Guys, it's Grandmaster. We're gonna make this guy work for it. Yeah, Josh D, have you not seen... Yeah, he plays back. Good. Now we'll come here. Have you not seen any of the Bullet challenges? When Feeding Master David Bassett comes in and gives me a cash challenge, very often matched or in some form by quite a few followers. And I have to play 5 1-minute games from the pool. Meaning random 5... He could play queen here, though. But then I could come here with ideas. Guys, there are ideas. Problem is, this bishop is doing nothing. It has no friends. We might have to do this just to open up the bishop, guys. Just to play chess. There could be ideas. See the sacks? Queen back. Okay. I think we have to shove on this side of the board. If I push, where can the knight go? It can come to this really good square. He just loses a pawn, guys. Opens up his bishop. That's just one move closer to the end of the game. The knight can come here, attacking f7. Let's do it. He'll just play queen c7. Maybe we save that. I gotta move. I gotta move or I'm gonna lose. What's up? Hey, Michael Latello. How you doing, Michael? Good to see you, man. Know where I can find this? Facebook? I think there's one YouTube video. If you go to Charlie Sardo Gaming on YouTube, and you it should be categorized under chess because I've got them in playlists. You go to the chess playlist. You might see the challenge. You might see one of the cash challenges. The thing is, they kind of happen after I create the live. I create the live. I don't know what's going to happen. Look at this. Okay. Yeah. Now he wants to come here, guys. Trade. Ding. This is probably a horrible move, but guess what? I can't come here. I'm losing. I can't create another weakness. This just loses a pawn. I have to move. I have to move. Knight, we take, and he... Bishop takes, threatens this. So we're going to come here. I'm making him think, guys. Maybe we'll get a blunder out of him. Oh, I dropped the pawn. Can I attack this bishop somehow? I can't. I'm going to come here, defending. And this just falls, and then this falls, and the game's over. I have no play, guys. There's nothing. I'm going to resign. Oh, guys, there's going to be so much stuff to learn from the review, guys. So much stuff to learn from the review, but the first thing we have to see is the ever-popular Squiggler Cam. See, guys? See? The Squiggler Cam tells a story, much like the fallen leaves tell a story, guys. This is Clifford the Big Red Arrow. He's the star of the Squiggler Cam scene. We have a slight advantage. I let him get equal. I maintain my advantage. And then, but there were better moves. I guarantee you I was making second best moves. And then it drops off and I'm just completely lost when I lost a piece, guys. I lost a piece tactically. Hey, it happens. We don't like it. We don't like it. We don't want it. 79% by me, 85% by him. Oh, that's one thing about the event list there. 79%, 85 by him. He had 2 brilliants. I had none. He had 10 bests. I had 10 bests. Let me see. I had 2 misses. He had 1. Neither of us ever blundered. Even losing my piece, I lost a full piece and it says no blunder. Interesting. It says I played like an 1850. He played like a 2100 chess.com rated maneuverer. Let's take a look at this, guys. First thing you do, you come here, you look at the opening, guys. The opening book. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't even tell me ratings of all these people. So, how do you know what to do? How do you know how to be a grandmaster? Okay, guys, this position, Hikaru Nakamura versus Dmitry Andreikin. Hikaru versus some other guy. Hikaru has had this position twice. Of course, Hikaru won both games. What's up? Everything good, dude. Yeah. Yeah, so, I don't know if you're interested in that. Maybe next time it happens, I need to... It's probably a good thing because it's a cash challenge, right? What happens is, I played 1 minute. I play 5 games from the pool. And FIDE Master David Bassett will often gives me the challenge, and I get 5 games. If I win, I get $10. If I mate on the board, meaning checkmate, physically... Not mate in 1. I can't win on time. If I have mate on the board, I get another $5 or $10. So it can be like sometimes $100 possible if I win every game and mate on every game. That doesn't happen very often. I make money on that though, guys. I always make $40-50, man. I mean $75 I think one time. I think it was my best. And so the fact that there's a monetary challenge would probably makes it interesting. That's probably something I've been overlooking. Okay, Bishop G4. Yeah, because Hikaru's friend did not play that. They castle or play Queen C7, Queen A5. Okay, 61 people castle here. Why does Black castle here, guys? Why do 61 people castle, including Andreikin, very strong grandmaster? Why does he castle? Because he knows he has to castle. It's in the rules. Castle or lose, especially at our level. And this bishop might want to come here, 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 right? So the bishop has options that could do something better later. But you have to castle. So that's what they do. It's called being accurate. Yeah. How about let's just do it in real time? Gauntlet is thrown. Challenge offered. Bill Stevens. What? Okay, guys, we got to get through this. Because Bill Stevens just put up the challenge. Could you? I don't know if you're on your phone how long it takes to type it. If it's a hassle, Bill Stevens, but could you type the actual challenge in chat, and I will actually copy and paste it to YouTube so the YouTubers can see it. Because he's got to put because we got to know exactly what we're doing, so you can see it. It's not like a receipt because I trust Bill Stevens. I'm not like, I could literally just play 1 minute chess right now and be like, okay, yeah, give me whatever you think I got coming, because that's how I feel. You know, Bill Stevens is a great supporter of the stream. Okay, wait, let's get to analysis and see where we... that was good. It wanted me to bring the knight c to e5. I considered it. That was good. Knight h4. Wow, it wants knight h4. Oh, to play f3 and f4. Okay. Bishop back is good. That was best. Rook d1 is good. Ooh, it likes bishop f1. Crazy. Okay. That was good. It wanted bishop f1 again. It keeps wanting me to come back here. So if takes, I just defend the knight and leave it there. Okay. Best. Good. Knight c. It wanted me to come to d2. Weird. Not doing that. I'm going forward, guys. I'm a forward momentum. 5 games, $5 per win, $10 for a mate. Okay, Bill Stevens, we have the challenge. Let me copy this. Copy. Okay, and then let me paste it to YouTube so they can see what's going on. Where am I? The challenge. A 1 minute. 1 minute challenge from Bill Stevens is this. Bam. Okay. There we go. Now everyone knows what we got. We're going to get through the end of this quick. Because, okay, he attacks. Inaccuracy. Bishop e3 is best. White's still better. That's good. That was best. Rook comes. That's a mistake. e5. Just play e5, man. Finally. Look at that. Look at the support of the pawn. It blocks the queen. It threatens to win the knight. e5. Didn't see it. Okay. That was best. Now there's a threat of bishop takes knight in e5, so I should play e5 here. That's a mistake. How is that not a blunder? It goes from plus 0.88 to minus 2.82. Okay, takes here, and now I'm just losing. Okay, we don't need to see anymore, folks. We don't need to see anymore. We need to get to the challenge. Okay. Are we talking about warm-up games? Lois says, I would have danced to Stream Rock, but I didn't have the tunes. Yeah, you got to kind of come here for the tunes. You could pull up a stream and wait till it comes on. It's in rotation. You wouldn't have to wait more than 12 minutes. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. We got to go to play. What are we talking? We're talking about warm-up games? You know what? I almost always win the warm-up game. So I'm not gonna take a warm-up game. I'm not gonna take a warm-up game, guys. What's up, Uncle Chuck? Billy Nichols! The original mean Uncle Billy! You can start whenever you want. Warm-up is fine. Thank you, Bill. Bill is very kind. But I think I just made my decision, guys. I usually win the first game. So what we're really going for here is checkmates. Because I get $5 when I win, but $10 if I checkmate on the board. So we need checkmates, guys. We need to threaten checkmate. We need our opponent not to see it. Threatening checkmate is good. Let's think about that. Okay, I was going to make coffee, but I had a sip, guys. I can put this off as long as I want. We just got to get involved, guys. I haven't played 1 minute chess since last time we played 1 minute chess here on stream, which is almost never, probably for the last challenge, folks. There we go. 5 games from the pool. There's 2 boards up. I can't castle. I'm moving too slow. I'm moving too slow. dude, he doesn't want it, guys. Oh my God. I'm gonna lose on time, guys. I'm gonna lose. Why do I keep wanting to lose on time? I keep wanting to lose on time, guys. I can't even threaten me. I resign. I mean, there's no point. Okay. That's okay. Hey, glitched out. See the glitch? I blame the glitch. Cash, should we do the double bill challenge and match? I'll match it, question mark. Billy, that's up to you. You only got 4 games left if you want to get in on this, Billy. Okay. We can do better, guys. You know what? I know what I did wrong there. Here we go. It was a whole mind frame, guys. Queen takes knight. He had queen takes knight. He had queen takes knight. This square is mine. I didn't see what he did. My knight. Ah! I dropped the queen, guys. I dropped the queen. I gotta move. I resign. I can't do anything, guys. I could have moved faster. I actually did. How the hell do you develop in a minute? You just do it. Okay. I gotta move faster. Back to where you came from. Okay. Open her up. He wants to kick my knight so he can take this pawn. Oh, he goes bishop, queen there. Okay, that's a move. Okay. Gotta watch out for the check. Right? And now we rip him open, guys. This way. This way. Oh, he can't castle. Ah, okay. Take. I'm on the knight. Okay. Do we take? Play the mate. There's one. Woo! We got one. Let's go. 3 mates is $60 from the double bill challenge. Let's go. Okay, guys. The challenge is the stakes have gone up, folks. Oh my God, guys. Okay. That's 3 games though. Let's go. We're gonna move fast. Shouldn't have gone this way, but I did. I ain't scared. I ain't scared. Just rip them open, guys. I think we don't allow that, though. We do this. Here we kick. He comes. Good. Go here. Okay. Take the queen. Wow. Take the rook. Okay, queen. Needs to take. There's two. Dude, talk about 2 losses in a row and then come back with 2 checkmates in a row. It's almost like I need the rent money, folks. How does he deliver? How does he deliver under pressure? Okay, guys, here we go. You guys are here. I see a lot of different things happening here in the chat. You guys are going to tell me. You guys know. We got one more, guys. We got one more. I want mate on the board. Guys, 11 seconds. He had 18. That's bad. This. He doesn't want it. Wow, okay. Just take it because you're nervous, bro. Don't do that. Come here. Play the sack. You can't checkmate, guys, if you don't play chess. Here. I'll come here. I want checkmate, guys. He removes an attacker, guys. He removes an attacker. He goes there. Wow. Interesting move. The knight is trapped. Play F5, we can't. Okay, sack it. He's okay. He's just scared. He's scared to be okay. Okay, look at it. Okay. He's ready, mate. He's ready, mate. You beat me on time. All right, guys. Well, you know what? After the bad start. After the bad start of 2 losses, guys, with 0 profit, to rip off 2 wins with mate was very good. Yeah. Comeback kid, baby. What it do? Courtesy of the highest rated Botez sister. Is that what she says? What it do? Charlie, the comeback kid. Well, we salvaged it, guys. We started off pretty bad. Well, the thing is, Josh is asking on YouTube, but over on Facebook, Billy Nichols mentioned something about getting in on this. And so I don't know what he was up for. He says Billy matched. So that's $40 in the piggy bank. It was, yeah, because it was, wait, you said $5 $5 for a win and $10 for the checkmate. That would be 15 times 2, which would be 30, which would be $60. Am I wrong or no? Now I'm telling you I don't care, but I'm just trying to be mathematically accurate. For instance, you know, if it would have been more, is that right though? 5 for the win, 10 for the mate. No? Like I said, if you already sent me the freaking the 20, I don't even care. You know me, dude. You know me, brother. Now I feel like I'm being greedy, guys, because I'm holding to the fire. Or am I reading it wrong? Yeah, you're right. Okay, Bill. Okay. Hey, you know, dude, thank you, man. Stop it, guys. Wow, what a nice little bonus today, folks. And that was exciting. And it will make you money. Very passionate about his math, guys. It's just math. It's just math. And let me tell you what Bill Stevens was not doing. He wasn't making a move, okay? Oh, we just heard a cha-ching, folks. What do we got here? Venmo. Bill Stevens paid you $30. 2 wins, 1 mate. No, it was 2 wins, 2 mates. Just so you know, that's why it was 30. I did 2 mates. I did 2 mates in a row, right, guys? I want to be accurate. I will send it back. I'll send back if I said it wrong. Both of these wins. You see the wins? This one. Both of the wins. I don't want review. The last game, or this one against Pozzino, is a win and a mate, and then profile. So you paid me right, but you said it wrong, and I just wanted to be sure you understand what you're paying for. And then this game is Queen here, mate. Remember that one? Yeah, yeah. So it was 2 wins, 2 mates, 5 and 5 for the wins, 10 and 10 for the mates. So $30. And you paid me right. Bill, thank you, dude. I hate talking about the money. It makes me feel weird, guys. Yeah, serious. Okay, there. Okay, good. He knows where you live. Pay the man. Oh my God, Bill Stevens. Bill Stevens. Do I have an address for you, Bill? I go to Bill Stevens' house anytime I want to. All I got to do is call him, guys. Me and Bill are kind of like friends, guys. And me and Uncle Billy says, you got a 15. Billy, for 1,000%. Send it. I thought it was 5 for a win and 5 more if you mate. It's okay. Hey, Billy, if that's what you thought, then that's what you pay. It's whatever. It's whatever. You understand? Yeah. No. You are fine, dude. If that's what you thought, that's it. You want to... Billy Nichols, great supporter of the stream, and just took part in the challenge. Helped sponsor the challenge. The Bills and the Billies came out of the woodwork, folks. He wants to play a 15-10 game, and we're going to do that right now. Send it, Bill. Send it. Stream Rock plays on for the victory. Man, Eddie Serena with the like. Anthony Fowler, Michael Latella. If you're watching on YouTube, we stream chess Monday through Thursday on Facebook, but I'm going to start doing it here too on YouTube, and you got to follow me on my Twitch, guys. Follow me on my Twitch. I'm going to get my Twitch. I'm going to tell you again because you know what? It's homework. You're like, look, I'm just trying to chill out. I'm just trying to chill out and watch a chess stream. I don't want to have to follow him on Twitch. Well, then you're not doing the homework, folks. YouTube gets it first. Follow me on Twitch. Bam. YouTube gets it first, folks. Did it not? Does it not make it a link, though? We'll see if it makes it a link on Facebook. Bam. Yeah, there you go. Facebook got a link. Maybe YouTube didn't, but still, just copy and paste it. Follow me on Twitch, folks. It's pretty freaking important. Let's get this back up, and I am looking for my... I don't see a challenge from you, Billy. Billy Nichols. No, you earned a 30 on the comeback. Okay, not a 15-10 with me. I suck. 15-10 from the pool was someone similar to your... Yeah. Let's play another one. What? 30 if you win, 40 more for the mate, potential 70 if they resign and there is a forced mate. I'll honor it. Oh my God, Billy. Guys, This is insane. Okay, this is going to be a serious game, guys, because there's real money on the line. It's a sin, Ma. You can't have someone offer you a chance to earn money and then not take it seriously. Okay? Got to be serious, folks. Got to be real. You got to be serious. I'm going to go hard. I'm going to go hard or go home. I'm not going to play the junk I played in the first game. It's not actually junk, but it's not exactly the best either. Oh, but my opponent kind of forced me into that line. Okay, we're doing this. You're going to do 15-10 warm-up? No, I don't want to do a 15-10 warm-up because I did have that warm-up. You know what? You know what I want to warm up with? I'm going to pull up the daily puzzle and let you guys look at it. Will you guys be able to see it if I come here to make myself a cup of coffee for this game? Coffee cam, window capture, here. Okay. There's the daily. You guys solve it. I'm gonna make a cup of coffee and we're gonna play a 15-10 game with huge stakes. Huge stakes, guys. He said 30 for a win, 40 if I made it on the board. Okay, the coffee's pouring, guys. The coffee's pouring. All right, guys, it's showtime. It's showtime, folks. Daily puzzle. You guys solved it. You guys probably, Daniel Abbott already did it. White to make a move. It's Monday, so it should be easy. Attack without a defender. Rook, check. Rook, check. Bishop back, rook takes check. Queen back, takes. So it's not a mate, it's just winning. Plus, he's on my rook, guys. He's on my... Oh, it's pinned! It's pinned. Oh. We check here and take the bishop. Wow. I would have got that wrong. I didn't do my dailies on the weekend, guys, but we're not doing those right now. We're going to Billy's challenge. Billy Nichols, great supporter of the stream. We came to play chess, folks. We are all hopped up on coffee, and it's only getting worse. And we're using the Willie Nelson cup. If you know what that means. The rook is pinned. Yeah, you guys saw it. Let's go. A good to grab stream rock. LOL Charlie dancing. Was I dancing? I was happy. The rook is pinned. You guys are telling me. Right. Did you guys all notice that? 15-10, guys. Okay. Let's go. I'm going to get serious. Serious chess means I'm going to minimize... Well, I'm just not going to look at chat. Of course, if I don't minimize it, I'm going to look at it. But we're going to focus up. We're going to win this game. Okay, we play e4. For my life, I play e4, guys. I don't know what to do. Okay. Oh, that'd be great if this guy played the same line. The same line as in the new YouTube video. Knight f6 would play d4, and we play for an Urasov gambit, guys. Knight f6, d4. Is it bishop e3? Knight e4, de5, queen h4. Is it bishop e3? You would think I would know the lines that are really bad for black. And those are the ones I forget because you never see them. The Weekend Daily, Daniel, we'll check it out. Billy says, Eastern time, just logged off work, made an old-fashioned for the game. I'd cheers you in a pick if I could. Just no cheers and kick some butt. Billy Nichols, you can cheer me with the pick in the exclusive Facebook Chillers subscribers only group, where Lois posted a video of her dancing around her kitchen with reckless abandon. She was dancing like nobody was watching. Okay. It was great. It was great. As a subscriber on Facebook, you get to check that out. Post the picture, man. We have, Drew posted a video of him singing along with, We're Gonna Kill the Halleck Tree. Yeah, that's the place to post it, Billy. Yeah. The rook is pinned. Yeah, the rook was pinned, guys. Okay, now, like I said. Oh, wait. But it's not queen d5, is it? This guy, we got this guy thinking. I want him to take the right pawn. This is the right pawn. Oh, plays bishop. This loses a piece. Takes. Bishop takes. Kick. Bishop back. e5. Oh, my God. I think we just won a piece, guys. But it's bad though, because he's gonna resign. So do we not take the piece to keep the check? You see what I'm saying? It's if I win this game, it's $30. I think I just won a piece. You're like, what are you talking about? I think this one's a piece. If I win the piece now, he might resign. Gosh. Pawn takes pawn. Bishop takes pawn. f4. The bishop has one square. It comes back, we push. He plays queen e7, we play queen e2, renewing the threat. He can play bishop check, we play c3. He's losing a piece, guys. He's losing a piece and we're taking it. Guys, 1 in the hand is better than 2 in the bush. I mean, if I needed $70 to save my mortgaged house, and I only had 15 minutes to get it, then I wouldn't win the piece right now. I'd play for checkmate later. Can you believe that just happened to you, Billy? Billy Nichols got robbed. He made an old-fashioned. He just got off work. He wants a good game. What? You can't play bishop d6. This guy thought forever to drop a piece, folks. He thought forever to drop a piece. Yeah. Urasov Gambit, guys. Memorize every line, and you could have so much fun at chess. I don't have them all committed to memory, folks. I need to calm down. I need to calm down. Queen e7, we take, and then we play knight. Yep. Okay. Yeah. Now. He has a check. I can threaten mate and the knight. Queen check. Oh, it's not mate after queen check. Okay, this guy's making it. He's making it tricky, guys. I get a piece. I get a piece. I get a piece. Wow. There's a best move here. And it's probably stop all malarkey. Then he could play knight back hitting the bishop. I was so proud. This is not mate. Check. G3, knight takes. Queen takes check. He comes here and it's not mate. Yeah, I'm not looking at chat. I was very this still wins a piece, guys. I'm sure it does. But my bishop on c4 is a little loosey-goosey, guys. It's a little loose, like a long-necked goose. Yeah. So what do you do here? Dude, if they abandon this game for me, I'm gonna be so mad. Like the video on YouTube, the newest YouTube video. Go check it out. I mean, okay, I have to look at this first. Takes, queen check. I can't come over. And here's the line. Queen check, G3, knight takes, knight F3 attacking the queen. He can take this. Oh, but then I get to take this. I think it's okay. I think pawn takes, queen takes check, G3, knight takes, knight F3, queen takes, pawn takes, and there's nothing else. Does it work? Guys, I counted my chickens, man, but it's getting... This guy made a move, guys. He made a chess.com maneuver! Okay, let's look at it again. G3, knight takes, knight F3, takes. G3, knight takes... Knight attacks the queen. See, he can't. If he takes the rook, I take his queen. There's no double discovered, and there's no discovery attacking my queen. So it goes G3, knight takes. Knight F3. He takes my bishop. I take his knight. Oh my God! Queen D5 check! I'm in check, though. I'm in check. There's no way this loses, guys. It might lose. Oh, no. No, queen d5 check. No, my knight's going to be on f3. I'm okay. I'm okay, guys. Knight takes... I saw queen. I saw this check, but I thought he was going to get my rook. Right? Now we already looked at this. Oh, he has check now. So we have to play like the Latvian gambit. But we don't have this. I think I lost. Did I lose, guys? Bishop takes check, king takes, queen check. I'm doing it. I sacked a piece back, guys. But I might get the knight. I might get the knight, guys. Now, he doesn't want to give me the check. But I can attack the queen this way. And force him to take. So he'll probably play here. Then I could play queen. No, he takes the knight. He takes... If I come here, he gets... Oh yeah, no, he doesn't have that anymore. He has this check. The problem is... I come here... He he does get it, guys. He gets it. He's okay. He has to come here. Yeah, and then I've gotta solve it. I love chat just dies when I say I'm not gonna look at chat. How many people we got here, guys? We got a nice little Facebook stream going. We got an absolutely beautiful YouTube stream going. Man, I used my time and I wasn't reading. Plays king up. Okay. Do we take? Queen takes. Bishop check. King takes. Check. Oh no. Okay. If I play this move, he has queen check. And I can't interpose my queen. I have to come up. Takes. I think I have to play this move, get the queen off, and take the knight. Oh wait, I lose the rook that way. Coming back, he gets this check is the problem, so it doesn't do anything. The rook is going to be dangerous, guys. The rook is going to be dangerous. Do we have any checks? With the queen, we don't. I was just looking at something like this, but no, that doesn't work because knights go backwards. Okay, and I said this move, queen check, king up is going to be bad. I got to take the knight with the queen, and this thing is loose. Takes. Queen takes. Oh my god, I gotta solve this. Guys. I just gotta find the best move. This could be an abandonment. Bishop g5 check. Queen takes, pawn takes. Takes check. It burns like fire. Here he has to find this check. King up, knight takes. But here's the thing. The knight's trapped. So I don't have to take the knight right now. I don't have to take the knight. So I think... Oh no, it's going to be with check. Here, check takes, queen takes. He's going to get castled. I could... I keep wanting to make this work, guys. But it doesn't. Because queen takes check. I have to start going in front of my pieces. And I said, this doesn't work because of this check. King up, knight takes check, queen takes, and queen takes pawn check. You know what I'm saying? I can't, it takes here, takes, I can defend the knight this way. D6, I could play takes, and then take here. That might be the move. It might be takes. Oh no, takes queen. I can't defend the queen. I can't defend it that way. Takes queen takes. Bishop check. Takes. I can check. I can't check here. And this is loose. I think I'm losing, guys. I have to stop. I can't play king f1 either. That's the worst part. Yeah, and like I said, this move, this doesn't work. It doesn't work. Takes queen takes, and then takes here check, and everything's falling apart. His king's in a little bit of trouble. It might be takes. It might be takes. Queen takes rook. Bishop e3. I'm not going to get castled. This will come with a threat. What's material? 3 pieces? I have 4 pieces, he has 3. I'm not going to lose on time, guys. This is better. Queen check. He already could take the rook, so queen check doesn't do anything. It just develops. He has to take the rook. And then I need to either save... No, but I can't save the bishop. Hopefully we'll be able to get at him, guys. The problem is his queen covers my check. But knight c3 is going to come with a huge threat. I can also get this... Okay. I could check, but there's no checks. His queen covers every check on the board, guys. This is so bad. He can take this. So I'll be down in exchange. But if I can get castled... If I can get castled with this queen here... This is Latvian Gambit. Very... Yeah, he takes, guys. He takes. Good. Now, I still have no checks. So... Bring a piece. Oh, maybe knight here to block. It doesn't do anything now. It just make the threat. Just threaten to come in, and then and we go from there. And then I have to bring the queen somewhere, probably on the light squares. I want him to play this move really bad. I'll come in. Good. Do we come in? I think we come in. Because I think we come in because... Oh, he could play queen back. No, he can't. Okay. Castles. And we're going to have an open F file. But what we don't have are checks on the... He's going to get away. He's going to get away, guys. I can't check him and keep him here. But we can come here and then come with stuff. This open file is going to be a great attacking file. This is exactly my Latvian Gambit reversed. Not exactly. It's something that happens to me a lot in the Latvian Gambit. I give up a rook for a knight and a pawn, or maybe 2 pawns. Literally. You guys know the line. It's the queen trap line. The problem is, if my bishop was on f1, I would have let him take it and then played king f2, and it would have been reversed here, and then we trap his queen. We trap his queen like this. Remember? Okay. The knight threatens nothing, so let's castle. If I come here, he can come here, hitting the knight. Oh no, hitting the bishop. See, I want to develop it. How? I think he wants to bring the rook to save his king. Dude, it's so beautiful when you develop pieces. Takes squares. I don't like this move. Because of queen f3. Then I have to move this bishop. White might be better here. Do you know that? White might be better here. Yep, and he wants to come up. Right? Now here, queen f3. And I have to move the bishop. Knight loses the knight. There's no checks is the problem. Rook check. He starts tucking, guys. He begins to tuck like a little baby. But I think it's the move. Oh, but then it unprotects my rook too. And I can't develop the knight. Rook check. King back. I want to get a knight here. Knight here, queen f3. I have to move my bishop to a better square. I don't want to put it here because it's going to block. You know what I mean? I guess I could come back, or maybe back here. And the knight then can come here with tempo. I think I have to develop, guys. I have to give him queen f3. The queen might be... Well, maybe it's not worth it. Check. His king moves. I gotta move. I gotta move. I have to move. Knight, queen f3. This could be the move. No, because he gets a bishop with check. If he didn't get the bishop with check, I would be okay with that. Check, he just comes back. And then I can't move. I gotta move. Queen f3 is probably only... If we're lucky, maybe he'll come back here. Queen f3. Can he trap my queen? No. I could come back here. And what I tell you guys about this file? Remember we talked about... I want this game so bad for the win, man. I want it for the win! Billy, I literally, at the beginning of this game was hilarious. I'm like, he just dropped a piece. I'm winning the game. I missed something. Rhodes, how you doing? I missed something. Yeah, so I played Eric, knight e2. If he plays rook up, we play queen takes rook. Check, and then take the queen. And then we're up a full piece. He still has some pawns, though. Pawn or two for it. But he'll get developed. He'll get developed. His bishop will suck with the pawn right here. Maybe king takes. Then I may have intermezzo. Check. The queen comes. Okay, now we have to defend this bishop or move it to a better square. If I play this move, he has c5. If I come here, g5 doesn't do anything. So we're going to take away more squares. We're going to take away more squares, defending the pawn and threatening to come in. We also have this square. Okay, he brings the rook. Okay. Can I do anything? There's no checks. No, so I have to save the queen. I could come back here, but the dark squares are not where I really want to be. If I come back here, he has c5. And I want to trade. So I think this is the move. Is there some way I can defend this square? There isn't. So let's just come here. If he goes like this, we take. We take, and then we push the pawn. And I think he's losing. If he goes on, if he pushes d6, or he should probably do this to like get the bishop out this way and bring the other rook. It's 2 moves, which with the, oh yeah, I'm threatening this. We got a fork, and after we take, bishop's still gonna suck. So I feel pretty good about this. I'm on his queen. Is it trapped? No, he can run this way. He can run this way. And then we definitely take the rook. Oh, okay. Okay, he goes here. Just rip it, because it's a rook, guys. Take the amigo's rook. There might have been a better move there. Now, do we come here? Or do we come here? I'm coming here and here. Oh, but I just undefended my pawn. Oh. No, it was undefended anyway. So you could play g5, guys. Right. Now, on g5, bishop takes, queen takes, check. There's a check here. I have a rook. I think we can do that. So I think we do this. He has this move, which I kind of screwed up a little bit. Yeah, I dropped this pawn because, oh my god. So I'll have to like, maybe queen here. Then on check I can come up. This knight can't do anything. He plays that move. He gives me the knight. Okay, the knight comes. Or do we save the pawn, guys? Do we save the pawn this way? I'm saving it this way. But dude, then he has automatic. No, I'm okay. I was looking at queen e7 to come in here, but then I bring my knight where it wants to go. We come here, we bring the rook, we sack the bishop or the rook. Okay. Attack the bishop. This could win material. After rook over. Oh no, he can come to this square. Then I hit the rook. He can't come back. This might just win. On rook over, this might just win. He can't play knight c7 because I take it. I'm threatening takes. He could play g5, but I take a piece. If he takes here, I take another piece. Okay. Here, I think is good. I said he has knight c5 though. Then I have queen a7. Knight c5, queen takes. I'm on the rook and the bishop. He could play rook over takes, rook takes, maybe for some infiltration, but I think I can just play here. And his queen can't get to the h-file. So I think we're okay. Knight c5 takes, and I think he's losing material. He could play g5. I said he could play g5. We talked about it. Knight takes, rook takes, queen takes. I'm on the rook. Rook goes back. Take on the rook again. Then the rook could pin my bishop. So we don't attack the rook second time. Bring the bishop back. Cover dark squares. Queen takes could be a threat though, guys. This guy's thinking about it. I got 53 seconds, folks. And I'll tell you something we'll learn later. This may have been, okay, plays g5. We looked at it. Okay. I said takes. Take a piece. This could be out of the thread because I was winning. I was winning anyway, probably. You know what I'm saying? And now do I take here? The knight gets away, so I think we take the piece. He gets a passer, though. Can my queen get back? My queen maybe can't get back, guys. Yeah, it can. I take hitting the rook, and the queen can come back. It actually covers the queening square. He takes there, threatening check and winning my rook. Okay. I don't have any checks. I might have blown it. I got 32 seconds. I might have to come here. I had to stop it, guys. Now he could attack my rook, but I could take the pawn. And I think I might be okay there. See what I'm talking about? I'm still only up a piece. I'm still only up a piece. But my queen's out of play. That's why this might have been bad. Yeah, he takes. Oh, hit the rook. He pushes. I'll take. If he pushes, he has no checks. I can interpose. Then he brings the other rook, though. And he's threatening this square. And I'm losing. The knight. Yeah. Okay, that's a move. The problem is the knight can't get out, guys. I'm gonna come here. No, he'll pin it. I got my queen out of play, guys. I got my queen out of play. I got 18 seconds. I have to go. Did I just drop it there? I just dropped my knight. I dropped it there. I try to take it back. I try to take it back, guys. Okay. Pushes. Doesn't work. We should be able to, with the loose king, guys, that was not the way to win the game. He should push the pawn. If he pushes his pawn, I'm in a lot of trouble, guys. He covers all the light square checks, man. How do we get to the square with check? He sees it, guys. Man! We're playing for a draw, guys. We're playing for a draw, right? I blundered the knight is a problem, guys. I blundered my knight. He could play here. Doesn't do anything. If he pushes, I check. Or no, I take the pawn with check. So he might play this move. No, he can't. He could play queen e7 doubling. That's good. Then we check. And we may have perpetual. Or win the pawn. And then maybe draw. The rook depends, guys. I didn't see it. Now he can push. The rook's not exactly hanging. It's not exactly hanging. But I could play a check. But then I can't take this pawn with check. Pushing might be the move. No, I check, and then I take the pawn. Keeping his king wide open. If he pushes, we check. King has to come over, we take the pawn. So, what am I threatening? Check. Check. If queen here. Mate? Yeah. Yeah, I see the mate. I see the mate. I see the $70 line. All we just need him to play it, guys. He should bring the rook back. Then I'll check, and I'll take the pawn. The king is too loose, I think, for him to win. I don't know, though, man. Okay, he goes there. Check. Is there a mate? It's going to start here. I might have mate. Yes, play queen takes. Yes, play queen takes, but dude, and it's probably going to be a draw. Well, I get this with check, though, so I might get the rook. Because the rook's loose. What happens to DOs, guys? LPs, they DO. I have 26 seconds. Okay. He comes here. We just check until we can, right? We check here. And then I think we get the rook. He comes here, we check. He comes here, we check. Those are only two moves. So we get the rook. But he has two connected pass pawns. But I think my queen can stop them. Or at least I check, and we don't lose. We didn't talk about draws. Oh my God, guys. I can't believe I saw it. I hope I'm okay. Oh, here, maybe check this way. No, the rook can interpose. He wants to come up. Check. Come up. Check. Come in. I think we check this way, and then we got to move the king. We try and get the... He resigned! There's no way! We got him! I won! No way! Dude! Oh my God. Reed, how you doing, man? Oh my God. Dude, the loose king, guys. The loose king. He knew. He's stream sniping. Oh my God, guys. We're looking at this game. Oh my God. We absolutely have to look at this game, including the squiggler. Billy, thank you for the challenge, dude. Look at this game, guys. Look at the squiggler. It's all over the place. Okay, so I was winning my piece, and I played a bad move. So look at this. This is fine. And then he's losing the piece. Bishop d6 loses. And I'm winning. And then I played a horrible move. Then I was winning. Oh my God, I was winning and I played another horrible move. Then I was winning again. Remember, this is where I said white might be better. Yeah, and I was better. Then it was equal. And then I blundered. And then he blundered. Oh my God. What a freaking game. Even in the end game, it's important to keep your eye out for tactics. Way to go. Thank you, chess.com. I like them again. I was mad at them. I want to see if your king would have been in time at the end. We're going to look at everything. I'm not even sure. Oh, yeah. If I could have stopped the pawns, I think, look, based on the squiggler, I was crushing. You know, the squiggler would have been like, no, the pawns are going to go get... We'll see, though. We're gonna see everything. We're going to see everything right now. Because e4, e5, bishop e4, knight f6, d4, bishop d6 is a blunder. You get a chance to eventually win a knight. Okay, let's just go here. That's a great move. Here, f4 is a great move. Knight takes. Now, it might be queen d5, guys. No, because he has queen check. That's a miss. Queen d5. Oh! Because if he does this, I think I can take here. Check. Queen d5. I didn't like it because of this, which is the best move. g3. If... See, because this isn't mating. Oh, I'm covering the rook! I'm covering the rook, guys. I didn't see it. Queen d5, guys, it's garbage in, garbage out, right? I literally gave up on queen d5 because of queen check and the fact that this is not mate. But queen check g3, his best move is queen back, and then I just take this. I just take it. And now the queens are coming off. Bishop d4. Takes. Developing with tempo. And I'm up a full piece. I have easier development. A piece for a pawn, not a full piece. I have easier development because this bishop can move. And this one can't. Right? I won't be able to castle this way, and I can't really play bishop e3, and I kind of don't want to double my pawns, but I'm up a piece, and this is the best piece in the game. So, like, he'll play bishop b6, and then what? Yeah, either bishop d2 or knight c3, and we just play. Okay. Oh my God. Queen d5 covers h1. g3 is a great move. Best. Dude! How much time did I spend on this back here? 14. Okay, I spent like 3 minutes here roughly. And then here, I spent a minute. And then here, I found that pretty quick. 30 seconds. King up. That's a mistake. Okay, knight. I didn't like knight f3. I want to see if you're king. Yeah, right. Show me there was a force of 8 somewhere, and I got to honor it. Okay, well, I don't think there was, but we're going to look. We're going to look, Billy. We're going to look. I didn't like this because of queen e4 check. King f2. Takes. Oh, I don't have to play queen. See, I looked at queen takes. It's a blunder because of this. Guys, the knight's trapped. In this position after takes, I have this move. He doesn't get the pawn with check. I'm getting the knight. He gets this, but then the knight comes with tempo. Queen g4 check. Takes. King e8. Or f8. King e8. And the knight comes to d5 with tempo and carnage. I like bishop g5 better. It likes bishop e3. But the thing is, it comes with this square, guys. Knight a6 defending, but then what do you play? Bishop d2, queen d3, queen e2. It's -3. This loses, guys. So am I losing? This is plus 1.95. That was the mistake. Yeah, that was a mistake. But wait, we said knight f3, queen. I'm still winning. I don't understand how it went bad. King f2. Knight takes. King g1. And we save. Huh. I didn't see the idea of the king. I think I might have said the knight's trapped. I don't have to take the knight with the queen. Didn't I say that? Yeah. Okay, well. It's -1.7. That's an inaccuracy? I thought that was the best move of the game. Guys. The guy resigned. I think he resigned prematurely. Dude, we got him with the check, bro. I'm so glad I played the check. That's a miss. Okay, I looked at e6, but why is e6 so good? e6 takes queen f4 check. Okay, now if he wants to tuck, if he wants a nip tuck, he has to block his rook out. Queen e8, or king e8, and then castles. And now we're looking at this square. Rook f8, queen g4. G4, really? Oh, it likes this one better. It's +5. King d7, knight. No, how's the knight get there? Queen f7 check, king d6. Oh, this is protected. It's just pinned. It's just being stockfish. It says it's +5 here, though, guys. It's +5. Okay, I didn't see e6. That was best. Inaccuracy. I told you I considered coming back this way. I did. Bishop f4. Rook comes. Inaccuracy. It wanted c5. That was good. Queen a3 is best. Queen a3. Probably not putting my queen there. But you know what? Well, yeah, no, just probably not doing it. Guys, I let my queen get out of play to try and win more material. It was a rookie move. Yeah. Black is slightly better here, -0.4. He plays his blunder. This is the move. Here. That was best. Guys, I had ideas of rook h1 later, right? Like, rook h1 here. I played knight e4, but I want to get the knight in, guys. Yeah, he could play d5, and I can't take on. What the hell was that? What the heck was that? Sounded like a train. The only thing is, there's no train track outside my door. With all love in the world, that queen move to a file was greedy. Billy, agree. And I realized it. Okay, b5. That's a blunder. Queen a5 is best. Wait, wait. It wants queen a5 right here. Oh, because it does some of those same... No. That's good. Dude, bishop h6. Oh, because the knight comes here. Oh, man. Someone's challenging me. I'm a DMR 1976. If he takes... Oh, he could take with the... He could take with the queen. Knight f6 check. Look at that move, guys. The pawn can't take because the queen hangs. King h8. Rook f4. Threatening this move is brilliant. Yeah, okay. See, there were attacks there, but even in this position, it wants queen a5. It wants queen a5. So we'll see. Maybe it liked what I did, but b3 was a blunder. That's good. Still +2. Queen a5 is best. But we're human. We're human, Billy. I feel slightly better, but my queen got out of play. I think I do something wrong here. That's good. Oh, it wants queen e1. And I'm still better? Queen e1. I mean, this is what you got to look at. gf4. gf4. And now with the knight in the open files, I should be winning, guys. King h7. Wants to bring a rook for his life. I have this check. Yep, queen e4 check. Queen g6. Queen back in with the big threat. Oh, no, just f5 now. Duh. Oh, my God. He has a check. Good. King B1. And I have a discovered attack threat that could force him a place he doesn't want to be. This looks really, 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 really good. But man, bringing the queen back and sacking the bishop. But I should have been smelling the blood, guys. That was good. It's still plus 2.2. Takes. Oh, the knight's still trapped. GF4 is better. Rook takes. Queen takes. Isn't that kind of what happened? Ish. Rook B8. And I take. Wow. Rook F8. And now this pawn is pinned, but it can't be attacked. King B2. Oh, and my queen can come back. H5. We're playing chess. Queen E3. Queen D4. Yep, Queen D4. Oh, I could defend it this way too. And I think I should be winning once we get the pawn rolling and my king is safer. Okay, so that was best here. That was best here. That's a blunder. Queen G1. Okay, just leave the knight. Just leave the knight. You'll get it out later, possibly. Or possibly not. But if he wants to win it, well, he can't win it because there's a square here. He can win it this way. No, because I get out this way. I think it still is trapped, though. You know what I'm saying? No, not anymore. This is saying it's very equal. Yeah, I should have brought my queen back instead of trying to save the knight. In trying to save the knight, I dropped it. Queen F5. Exactly. Queen F5 did protect A2. I noticed that too. So I made this blunder moving my knight around. That's why FIDE Master David Batson said, don't hover. Don't hover. Don't be... It's like when if you're playing chess and you're putting your hand out and you're picking a knight up and you go, oh, I'm not going to put it there. You put it back. No. Because in real chess, in a slow tournament, you're not allowed to touch a piece. You got to sit on your hands. Don't put your hand like this. Sit on your hands. Decide what you're going to do. A lot of people write the move down first to make it real. Look at it, and then they make the move, push the clock. It's not speed chess like you see most of the time. Okay, he comes. I drop my knight. Now I'm losing. That was good. It won a rook G1. That was excellent. Rook E2 was better. Weird. I thought that was crushing. Best. Good. A3 is best. A3 is best. Wow. Okay. Queen F5 is a great move. We got that in here. That's a blunder. It's plus 4. You should play Rook E7. Yeah, you know what? I thought about that too. Just bring the rook back. If I check him, all I'm doing is putting his rook behind his passed pawns. Proper chess etiquette here at Charlie Sardo Gaming. Yeah, Daniel, we will. We'll check it out. Queen F5. The queen comes here, and it's plus 4 now. Now, if he comes here, oh, this is best. How's this not mating? Oh, because the queen can interpose. But we have a check. So G5. Takes. Check, winning. We were in this position. Yeah. But here he's losing. Well, maybe. Yeah, because my queen can stop the pawns. Okay, let's get back to the game. Dave Joyce with 100. Dave Joyce, we just pulled a rabbit. We just pulled a rabbit with 20 seconds left. Did I go back far enough? I get it. Wait, how do I... Am I in the main line? I am. Okay. Okay. That's best. Queen here. King here. Queen f6 check. Best. It's a blue move. We were in the same exact position, guys. And he resigned here. So, I can't believe it doesn't want to bring the queen. Oh, you know why it doesn't matter? If he comes here, we check anyway, and he still can't come in. He has to come back. Queen takes. Queen g5. Queen f3. The queen stops the pawns actually easier than I thought they would. I mean, there's no queen f3. It just stops the pawns. They can't move. It's a queen. I'm enjoying this. Just thought you might be down for the challenge. Yeah, we'll take a look at it, man. I missed Friday and Saturday. And Sunday, actually. Yeah. See it, Billy? It's just over with queen f3. There's nothing left. I mean, my king doesn't have to get over here because if he pushes, I just take. His king can't advance. G2 it says is the best move, but let's say it plays C5. Bam, A4. We make another passer. It's just over. It's just over. Yeah, G2's the best move. It just... Show me mate. Was there a mate there? Here... It's not giving me... Well, the problem... I don't think there is a mate, but we'll see. We'll see. I want to, like... I feel like it's only giving me one line. It's only giving me one line. Analysis. Yeah. Would I come up here? Chess engine, number of lines. Let's go for 4. Okay. The thing is, it's not showing it. It's not showing it. I'm trying to find the mate line, but I can't find it. I can't find if there's one. Go back when you had dark bishop and rook queen on the second rank-ish. Oh, yeah. Okay, and I got a bunch of lines up. And I'm waiting for the mate. Okay. Okay, I don't see a mate yet. That's a miss. That's a miss on... It's still only +2. Yeah. I'm supposed to play GF4, but this is the game. It's not going to get any better. It's not going to get any better. I never had a mate. Queen D5. And now this is equal. And then I start losing when I drop my knight. And equal again. Okay, it's +4 here, but just because I'm winning the queen. Rook F7 check. If King G6 is still not mating. It was the best move. King G8. Well, I mean, he could play King H6, and this is checkmate. But then it was never in the game. The rock provided is always abiding. Before queen is on the A file, can you move rook to G file and sack bishop? Yes. Not. I don't even think the G file. I think it wanted H file. Back here. Right here wants rook h1. But I wanted to at least get my knight in before I sacked. Get my knight into attacking area. But I could have played this, but thing is, I didn't. You know what I mean? And it's only plus 0.8, so there's no mate there. There's no mate there. It could have been good. That was not good. Rook h1 was better. You know, play could go. Look at this. It does not want to come back. It can't come back because if he does this, we do the sack. And he never takes, because if he takes, rook takes, hitting the queen and stuff. Queen e5. There's a mate here, but it's not really mate because he has to help into it. And he has, it's like the worst move. It's plus 6. He has king f8. You know what I mean? He just needs to start moving stuff, but there's no mates. It's okay, Billy. I got to tell you something. I'm happy to have won that game because, my God, for me, the biggest thing is is queen d5, man. Queen d5. That's queen d5, and if queen check, g3. And he can't take because of this. And now he's losing another piece. Dude, Billy, you're crazy, man. Thank you so much, dude. What? Billy Nichols paid you $100. You earned every bit with that comeback and the analysis. Thanks for making us all better. And the love always spread on your, and that's as long as that went. I'll read the rest of it on the Venmo, on the Venmo app, man. Dude, thank you so much for the support. You guys are freaking amazing, man. You guys are absolutely amazing. Thank you guys so much. Oh yeah, thanks for making us all better with the love and always spread. You always spreading your platform. All my love to you and Courtney. Dude, Billy Nichols, thank you, dude. Wow. Bill Stevens. And Billy Nichols also gave his 30 for the double bill challenge. $30 from Bill Stevens, $30 from Billy Nichols, $100 freaking dollars from Billy Nichols after that. Billy, thank you, dude, for the support. You guys are amazing. Yeah, that was crazy. 1 week until the bun of St. Patrick. What? If you're out there, I can't do it, guys. I don't know how to do the Irish thing, guys. 1 week? Is it going to be on a? It's going to be on a Monday. It's going to be on a Monday, guys. We might do green beverages. I call them beverages. I might do green beverage St. Patrick's Day. You're out there lurking. You guys like what you see? Hit the sub button on YouTube. Hit the follow button and the like button on Facebook. You can like on YouTube too. You can like on all that stuff. Most importantly, well, it's not the most important, but it's pretty important. Follow me on Twitch, folks. You already follow me here. You follow me on Facebook and on YouTube. Follow me on Twitch, because there's going to be content there that you're going to miss if you don't get on it. You don't get on it, guys. You got to get on it. And also, if you want live alerts anytime I go live on any platform, anywhere in the world, go to Charlie Sardo Gaming right here on Facebook. You'll see get the top live alert channel. Click it, join it. Every time I go live, you get an alert. It's an amazing thing. If you're out there lurking, this is the love for the lurkers. All right? If you guys aren't saying nothing, that's fine. So you could click the like button, folks. I was losing. I came back. You got a little lucky, but you know what? I didn't quit. I didn't quit, folks. Oh, we got to come back here because we have to go to puzzles. Because Daniel Abbott, great supporter of the stream, was saying, what about the daily puzzles over the weekend? Wait, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, so yeah, right here. This is Saturday and Sunday's puzzles. White to move, stunt double attack, a stunt double attack. White to move. Knight takes, queen takes, rook check. Looks good to me. No! I'm a failure. Try again. Oh, double attack this way, but he just moves. I can't attack the queen. There's no way. Is it this one? Because it threatens mate. It's a cool move. Okay, now check. The king comes up. What? Huh. Oh, but, okay, so I did that. Now my knight's under attack. Maybe we come check here. Oh, the knight, the bishop's pinned. Incorrect. There's a better move. You would think I would try harder. Knight d5 is correct. Knight takes, pawn takes. I don't see it. Latvia in the house. Daniel says, I'm sorry, Charlie. What? You're sorry, why? What's with the apologies, Daniel? You got After Dark tonight. Yes, we're at gaming for sure tonight. Oh, Billy Nichols, thank you, dude. Much love to you, too. Kevin Knight says, you are amazing, Charlie. Daughter playing Trinity this weekend. She's going to join the stream when we watch together. That's awesome. Latvia in the house with the 100 stars. Dave Joyce, thank you for the 100 stars. Jay Williams earlier with the 20 stars. The amazing freaking the Billies today came through with freaking amazing challenges. $30 each. And then a $100 bonus at the end was huge. Thank you guys so much for that. I'm trying to figure... Guys, I'm not seeing it. Did you guys see this? Knight to e2. Oh, it's here. There's no way! Oh, because it threatens mate. Knight e2 check, and then this check. Dude, I'll tell you something. I don't know why, but when I'm doing the regular puzzles, like the daily, I look at it and kind of like take it like not seriously and just play it. I'm completely wasting my study time. I thought it was Rook F6, but it's not, Joe. Yeah. When I'm playing for my puzzle rating, it's like I'm literally feel like it's like life or death. You know what I mean? I feel like it's life or death, man. Like I don't want to move. I'm afraid to even go into normal puzzles for my rating because then I'm going to be stuck there until I solve. Discover at your own risk. White to make a manunu. White is attacking black. Discover at your own risk. Check. King takes. Check. King here. Rook down mate. Right? Oh. Okay, so is this still mate anyway? Yes, bishop back. So do we just win the queen? And this wins the queen. In the game? I guess we have to play bishop takes. Knight takes. Knight takes! Because if he takes my bishop, this is checkmate. it's knight takes. This is beautiful. Knight takes, and then if queen takes, so knight takes has multiple threats. Wow. His best move is to give up the queen and get mated. Like this. Wow. Wait, it's not mate though. It's not mate. I could come here. Oh, dude, what a great puzzle. You got to threaten two mates, guys. You got to threaten this mate and rook takes mate. But wait a minute. He has a check. Knight c6. Threatens mate. And that's his best move. I thought rook check would have been better. Huh. Yeah. Dude, that puzzle for me was not easy. Dude, I'm doing great, Lavia. How you doing, man? Thank you for the stars, dude. Thank you for love. A lot of love today on the Chess Charlie Sardo Gaming stream. Streaming chess Monday through Thursday at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. That's Texas time, folks. Dude, what a great stream. Dude, I'm so glad I pulled that game off at the end. I mean, I feel horrible about the way I played. I did not play good. That was not a good game. That was not a good game. That was not a good game. It just goes to show you, man. Can't win by resigning. The mate is knight d5 and knight c7. Okay. Well, guys, I am going to call it. I got to make some dinner. I think I'm going to make pasta. Put me in a little bit of a food coma. That should be fun for the nighttime gaming stream on YouTube. Follow me on YouTube. Follow me on Twitch. Follow me on Facebook. Charlie Sardo Gaming. All three. Go. Follow. Like. Follow. Comment. Subscribe. All that good stuff. Freaking love you guys. Thank you so much, Billy. Billy and Billy. Billy and Bill. And even Billy, the moderator, was here earlier, too. Billy... It was a great day of Billies, guys. Bills and Billies. You're doing good now, getting ready for bed. Cool, man. Cool. If he plays the rook check. Okay, I see what you're saying. All right, guys. I love you guys. Hit the buttons on your way out. I'll catch you guys later.